Now, February is the perfect time to look at how you're working out regularly or not, or you're eating. Are you eating healthy, whatever that means to you? I'm Ronnie Low Habit Coach, and I'm holding the don't talk, just do. Don't talk about it all the time in your head or to other people. Let's look at where you are with that resolution or that new way of living that you said you would do in December and plan to start in January. The gyms, and I know because I'm a trainer, the gyms are starting to see people not show up as much. And the studios that have classes, the classes aren't as filled. Now is the perfect time to see if you've created true natural momentum. I'll show you how in my workshop. I promise, not just stats, but show you the process of making all this easy so it's part of who you are. All my clients in personal training that succeeded, and most of them did, actually, all of them succeeded because of their habits. And then the workouts with me and by themselves that I gave them. And yes, then the nutrition. But most importantly, is you make that good nutrition and those regular workouts a habit. I'll show you how. Don't talk, just do. And please feel free to email. In fact, I invite you to email me questions ahead of time so I can make sure that I call on you and I address it during the workshop. It's live, or just bring them during the live workshop. It's February 19, 12 noon straight up Pacific time, 3 p.m. Eastern, and everything in between. And bring a friend. All right. I'm so glad you're signing up. Don't talk, just do. Yay.